Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. And today I took a sell on GU and it was a scalp for 3RR. It was a pre-London shorts. So I'll show you the whole setup. So by the way, this is the Asian box, the pink box that you see, and I was not expecting price to go lower because of the higher time frame objectives. So if you look closely here, eyes over here, okay, and there was liquidity resting right above this order block. Okay, and why this order block is of relevance, because it took some sort of liquidity, and there's liquidity resting right below it. So I entered right over here and I exited right below this. I took 100% of my positions right below this, and it was approximately 3-hour trade, and it was a scalp. Basically, I was not expecting price to go any further low. So this is the trade that I took today, and I'll see you in the next one.